Hi, my name is Jure Dajic and I'm the founder of H2O Globe. Over the past 15 years, I dived all around the globe and shared my knowledge about diving with many beginners and professionals. Diving is a visual experience and it's all about meeting new people, sharing your adventure and falling in love with the ocean. The idea is simple. We want to build an online worldwide divers community for people like Harold and Olivia. By simply creating a free account, you can use H2O Globe anytime, anywhere. An interactive map lets you share your photos or videos, see content of other divers, and connect with your new diving buddies. Our new search engine enables you to find diving centers and shops nearby. You can read and post reviews and get special offers through reputation points. My team and I want to bring diving closer to everyone. We want the platform to do the work for you, to find a verified diving center, the right equipment, and like-minded divers. Because diving is fun, it's easy to learn, and it changes your life.